Hey there, this is Kara with Bytestand, and this video is going to go over the notification feature in the Fresh Credit app. When notifications are enabled in the app, your store can automatically alert customers through email or SMS communication. To get started from the homepage of the app, let's use the purple menu to the right and hover over it and click on Notifications. There's some helpful information on this page. There is a dashboard at the top and a notification history below that. If you scroll down the page, you will see notification settings. Stores can enable notifications to alert customers when they have received store credit or when their current store credit is about to expire. Use these toggles to the left to enable or disable these features. Saying that, let's quickly walk through these two notifications together. So first, enabling credit added. Notice that you have flexibility with your delivery methods. You can also edit these notification templates. Once you are on the editing page, you can edit the from field, the subject line, and the body of the message. Take a moment to also play around with the provided shortcodes below, as they can help speed up the message editing process. Something that is really cool is while you are making these edits, you can watch the changes over here. The reset button will undo all of your edits if you press it before you save your changes. And when you are ready, just make sure to press that save button before you exit out of this page. And moving right along, this is going to be the same process for the SMS template as well. Now we're going to check out this credit about to expire notification. Once again, you can decide how you would like the notification to be delivered, but what is different is that you must include a number here. For example, in this case, I would like the app to send my customers an email notification 3 days before their store credit expires. And good news, you can edit the email and SMS template just like the credit added notification as well. That's really all there is to it. Feel free to test this out with your own customer account on Shopify. Watch how to do this as I give my test customer account some store credit in the back end of the app. And then I'm switching my view to my email. This is how a credit added email notification would look to a customer. Of course, while I'm pretending to be a customer, I'm now intrigued, so I'm going to log into my customer account on the store that sent me the credit. And boom! There's my notification. Now it's time to shop. I hope you enjoy this notification feature inside of the Fresh Credit app. Please let us know if you have any questions. Happy shopping!